In the year 1979, history chose China to prepare for a great change here. Because of the words from the great man, Mr. Deng Xiaoping. AVIC International, bearing the dreams of generations of aviation industry people, stepped from China into the world. A 40-year journey of adventures has led us to a diversified global company with international competitiveness. Now AVIC International owns 9 listed companies, home and abroad, and over 100 overseas branches and offices, which makes us more capable of making best use of global resources. In 1993, AVIC International made its debut in Hangzhou, China, overlooking the world for the first time with mission of integrating excellent resources around the world and improving the international development of the complete plant industry. Over the past decades, we have provided customized system solutions for our global customers by virtue of outstanding technical teams and project management talents. We become a world-leading integrator of industrial gas complete plant, making more impossibilities possible.
中航国际杭州公司以洋企的身份参与国际市场人员，代表国家形象。我们立志将世界一流的技术和中国制造、中国速度、全球产业链完美融合，让世界分享中国的精彩，让中国感受世界的美妙。
We firmly believe that products have souls, and we are making great efforts to make products express our dreams and pursuits. The top-ranking design team strives for excellence to impart a distinguished gene to products. Based on the tremendous strength of the central enterprises, executive team actively cooperates with renowned supporting manufacturers, home and abroad, to endow the products with advantages of numerous masterpieces. Like caring for babies, skillful master workers elaborate products with the spirit of craftsmen. Quality control team inspects whole process of production with rigorous standards to guarantee quality. Experienced service personnel devote themselves to service all the year round, making products thrive and remarkable. We have supplied more than 40 sets of cryogenic air separation plants, PSA, VPSA oxygen plants, and hydrogen plants to consumers in more than 20 countries and regions around the world. Providing our remarkable products and services for various industries such as iron and steel, oil and gas, petrochemical, glass, power generation, aviation, medical treatment, and food processing, and received highly praise by our client.
We have been also established a bridge between Turkey and China.
We are very happy to use AVIC Hangzhou's oxygen plant, and our oxygen plant is very good condition right now. Whenever we need any support, AVIC Hangzhou supported us as quick as possible.
AVIC Hangzhou always presents us good and very quick solutions for our problems.
With AVIC Hangzhou, 5 years later, 10 years later, or 20 years later, you will know that they will be with you, never let you alone.
They has done this job professionally and high quality. Our management, they are satisfied with this group of the AVIC Hangzhou nominated groups.
We are very pleased of having them here. Their staffs are very hardworking and responsible for the job which they are doing.
16 years ago, we bought from AVIC Hangzhou the first oxygen plant. This is also the first plant of Dubai in Turkey.
I should mention that I'm satisfied of this contract.
Moreover, we are actively exploring more cooperation and development in other fields, such as natural gas liquefaction, thermal power generation, seawater desalination, mining, etc. Basing on China, we actively respond to the national strategic approach, seizing the opportunity, promoting One Belt, One Road, confronting the challenge, and committed to creating a brand new SOE in the new era. Looking around the world, we never forget the mission in times of crisis. Shorten the distance. We pass love with original heart. Clasping the hands, we return reliance by our responsibilities. Adhering to people-oriented, we make our employees meet the best of themselves. Striving for creating value, we make ourselves a sincere partner to our customers. People always say, for a grander sight, climb to a greater height. Shouldering the mission of supremacy, we keep climbing. We are not sure where we will fly to and how high we can fly eventually. We are just used to looking up. We look up at the place never reached, and then keep creating infinite possibilities about you and me.